Hey guys, this is cat number 5N here, and here is my 2004 Lasko box fan, also known as GE. We're gonna call it a Lasko. It's Lasko rebranded General Electric. I got this fan at my local Goodwill 3 years ago, and it replaced my 2002 Galaxy box fan. And yeah, it's a really powerful fan. It's a total powerhouse. So to move the napkins out of the way, my grandmother's not going to be happy it's on the counter, but oh well, she's not home, so too bad. Alright, here's high. Medium. Low. And off. Take a look at the back now. It only has this one remaining foot. The other one I have, it does exist, but it's broke. So here's the motor. It's a really big motor, and we're going to turn on high on backwards with me holding it, because it will fall like that. Just knock the old stuff all over it. Alright, so there you go, guys. That's my 2004 Lasko / General Electric box fan, also known as 10660, aka 3755 Ultra box fan. Goodbye. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.